Now, finally, we need to get output from our drawings in the form of physical papers. So in order to get the output, the most efficient and recommended way is using layouts. So try not to make your plot from model view. So right now you are in model view, but when you hover your cursor here, you'll see that we have here layout 1 and layout 2. So let's move to layout 1 first. Now here we have a viewport and a sample of our drawing here in this viewport. So let's go and delete this viewport. We need to first make sure that this viewport and this layout view is exactly as per our own requirement. So let's try to get our print in A3 sheet size. So for that we need to make some changes to this layout. So let's go to this layout and right click here. Now go to page setup manager. Now this page setup manager will list all the layouts which we have. So let's go to the layout one and click on modify. Now page setup manager will pop up here, and let's start with the first setting, which is printer and plotter. So when you click on this drop down, you'll see a list of all the printers which are installed in your Windows PC. Here I don't have any physical printers, so it's not listed here. But if you have some printers installed here, it will be listed here. I have some virtual printer here, so I will select DWG to PDF.PC3 printer. So let's select it. Now we need to select the paper size. So I'm trying to get my output in ISO A3 paper size. So let's look for ISO A3. So here is ISO A3 297 cross 420. So this will be the paper size in which I'll try to get my output. So let's click on this paper size. Now the plot area. So obviously we would like to get plot of complete layout. So let's select layout from this. And now don't make any changes in plot offset and in plot scale. Let's keep them as they are. Now there are also some changes that you can make here in plot style table. So generally some designing firms have their own plot style tables, and you can use the custom plot style table from this drop down. So let's go to this drop down, click on new, and now you can create your own plot style, or you can import plot style which I have provided to you by your design company. So right now I'm not using any plot style. We'll look into this later on. We have some options here that also we'll talk about. So make sure now that landscape is selected here and click on OK and click on close. So now this paper size is A3. The next step is adding title block. So title block is also provided by the company, or you must have your own title block, and you can import those title blocks as standard blocks. So let's go to insert and here click on insert and go to more options. Now locate the title block. Right now I have a title block on my desktop, so I'll go to browse, I'll go to desktop and select this title block, A3 title block. Click on open and OK. So now this title block appears here on my cursor. Let's go to this corner and click here. So now this title block is inserted completely inside. In this layout view, you're seeing this dotted line. So this dotted line is the plotter margin. Anything which is beyond this line will not be plotted. So make sure that this title block is well within this margin. Now this is the title block which we have made for our drawing, but AutoCAD also provides some title block for you. So when you go to this new template, you'll see a list of template. From this template, when you go to this architectural or manufacturing template, you'll see a preview on the right. So these are all the predefined templates with title blocks for you. So if you want to use these templates and these title blocks, you can use them directly from this template selection box. But if you want to use your own, then you can insert them as a block.